Mr. President, at this juncture, I move that we consider proposed Senate Resolution number 934. This is the resolution, again, commending our very own Senate Lady Defenders. I so move, Mr. President.
There be no objection. Motion's approved.
May we ask the Secretary to read the title of the measure.
Secretary, please proceed.
Resolution commending and congratulating the members of the Senate Lady Defenders team for winning the silver medal in the UNTV Volleyball League.
Mr. President, to sponsor the measure, I move that we recognize the Senate Committee Chairperson of the Senate Committee on Sports, Senator Christopher Bongo. I so move, Mr. President.
Our distinguished Chairperson of the Committee on Sports, Senator Christopher Bongo, is recognized.
Mr. President and distinguished colleagues, as Chairman of the Committee on Sports and team manager of one of the team managers of the Senate Lady Defenders, it is my privilege and honor to sponsor Senate Resolution number 934, congratulating the members of the Senate Lady Defenders for winning the silver medal in the UNTV Volleyball League Season 1. Sila po yung runner-up. Ang Sentinels naman po ni Senator Angara at ni Senator Joel ang gold medalist sa UNTV basketball. I also congratulate all the coaching staff and support staff. Gusto ko rin pong personal na bigyang pagpupugay lahat ng team members. Nandirito po sila ngayon sa likod who participated and exhibited exemplary performance and teamwork while competing against teams representing government agencies throughout the tournament. The Lady Defenders composed of team captain Jamilin Dili-Dili, and co-captain Marvy Ann Felipe and Marla Katrina Karandang. Marie Sheila Cecilio, Candice Cerezo, Miss Femi Rexy Gallares, Rachel Inid, Jewel Hannah Lai, Mary Joy Oho, Grace Palabrica, Joanne Pangilinan, Ellen Pantonosa, Francia Torres Roque, Catherine Villegas, Karina Deliosa, and Jessica Mariel Binluan. In light of Women's Month this March, we celebrate the triumph of these women who exhibited the exemplary performance in the UNTV tournament. Maraming salamat din po sa ating mga kasamahan dito sa Senado na sumuporta po sa ating volleyball team. Selebrasyon po ito na celebration ito ng kakayahan at galing ng kababaihan sa larangan ng sports. I would also like to acknowledge my co-team manager, Miss Maricel Tulpo Tungol. She's the daughter of our colleague Senator Rafi Tulpo. Siya rin po isa sa mga team manager. Kinikilala ko din po natin ang ating coaching staff, Head Coach Rogelio Gorayev, Assistant Coaches Clint Malaso, Allen Albert de Guzman, Janica Lane Lai, Melin Santasera. Of course, to the team coordinator, Brenda Cuentas, and lastly, ang ating support staff, Ria Joy Juanitas Ladublan, Elvis Joseph Diaz, and Rainer Espiritu. Because of their team effort, the Senate of the Philippines had its first ever podium finish in the UNTV Volleyball League. At magbubukas na po ngayong linggo na to. Sana po ay maging champion na tayo, ang ating lady team. Mr. President, isa pong karangalan ang mapabilang sa Senate Defenders. I would like to give credit where credit is due. Gusto ko rin pong bigyang pagpupugay ang kanilang naging katunggali sa tournament na ito. AFP Lady Gunner, PNP Lady Patrollers, DFA Emissaries, Judiciary Justice Servers, and Ombudsman Graph Busters. Nais ko rin pong magpasalamat sa organizers ng UNTV Volleyball League led by Kuya Daniel Rason. At hindi lang po sa volleyball, pati po sa basketball, Open Division, including the Executive Division. Ang dami pong natutuwa and it promotes camaraderie. Sa pamamagitan ng mga sports tournament kagaya nito, mas maingganyo natin ang ating mga kababayan na bigyan ng importansya ang sports. The UNTV Cup, originally conceptualized by Kuya Daniel Rason and dubbed as Liga ng mga Public Servants, has always been known for its charitable work through sports like basketball. Now the spirit of charity and sportsmanship has been expanded to include the field of volleyball dahil uso na po ngayon ang volleyball, no? Dahil sa panalo natin sa tournament na ito, makakatulong din tayo sa ating chosen beneficiary, ang ating Senate Spouses Foundation Incorporated, led by Ma'am Audrey Zubiri. Nakakataba po ng puso na sa ating panalo ay may matutulungan po tayo. The remarkable silver medal win of the Senate team with the support of all the staff and personnel rallying behind them has brought pride and honor to the esteemed institution. Para po ito sa buong Senado. Congratulations. Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you very much, Senator Christopher Bongo. Congratulations to our silver medalist.
Mr. President,
Yes, please.
may I be allowed, Mr.
Majority
President, to just give a short co-sponsorship speech, Mr. President?
Yes, please proceed.
Mr. President, we are proud and privileged to be co-sponsor of proposed Senate Resolution number 934, congratulating and commending our Senate Lady Defenders team for their outstanding performance in the first season of UNTV Volleyball League. They represented our institution, Mr. President, in the league among other government agencies and achieved the extraordinary feat of winning the silver medal. Mr. President, as an athlete myself, we truly enjoy and admire seeing the determination, passion, and discipline exhibited by our fellow athletes here in the Senate, and even more so, Mr. President, when their sportsmanship is further accompanied by their desire to help others for a cause. Kaya naman po natutuwa tayo sa statement ng kanilang team captain, ni Senate Legislative Staff Officer Jamie Lynn Dili-Dili. Manalo ka kahit ano yung maging place mo dyan, makakatulong ka pa rin. Tunay po na naisabuhay, Mr. President, ng Senate Lady Defenders ang diwa ng paglilingkod sa ating bayan. Muli, sinasamahan po natin ang principal author of the measure, Senator Bongo, para i-congratulate ang ating Lady Defenders and Senate staff team, pinangungunahan ni Captain Dili-Dili, Marla Katrina Carandang, Candice Cerezo, Karina De Leosa, Jamie Lynn Dili-Dili, Marvian Felipe, Famirexi Galyares, Rachel Inid, Mary Joy Ojo, Joanne Pangilinan, Ellen Pantanosas, Francia Torres Roque, and Jessica Vinluan, alongside import players Jewel Hannah Lai, Catherine Villegas, Marishila Cecilio, and Grace Falabrica, and Coach Roger Gorayev. Mabuhay po kayo at muli, sa inyong mga kasamahan dito sa Senado, we are proud of you. Maraming salamat, Ginoong Pangulo, and may God bless us all.